Here at BMV Optical, we provide a very unique service. Our advanced optical assembly and custom metrology requires a very broad skill set. We take on a job, assess its requirements, then we design, breadboard, assemble, and test it all under one roof. During the design phase, our R&D department utilizes mechanical and electronic computer-aided design software, as well as our many years of design and integration experience. Our vast manufacturing experience allows us to take an optical, electronic, or mechanical design and develop it from print to component. We utilize a range of in-house services supplemented with a host of qualified vendors. Our optoelectronic and optomechanical assembly techniques incorporate a collection of industry standard practices, as well as utilizing in-house assembly procedures developed here at BMV. While we use conventional metrology equipment at every stage of the subcomponent manufacturing and assembly process, it's our ability to produce custom metrology test platforms for the more complex photonic solutions that sets us apart from our competition. It's this ability that allows us to certify each client's unique system requirements.